Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to estimate the difference between two populations when population variances are known. First, let's see, there are two samples. They are from two different populations. The size of first sample is 20 and the size of second sample is 10. And what we need to do is to find out the 95% confidence interval for the difference. As we know, the population variances are known in this question, so the standard deviation of the two populations are known. They are here. And the differences follow normal distribution, and we need to find the confidence interval. So first, let's find the average number of the two different samples. First is we use average function to get the result, and it is the same, use average function to get the mean. From this we can see that it is the difference between two sample means and minus this one or add this one. And we often refer to the sheet given by our teacher. And here is 1.96. And lower confidence limit is minus the difference minus this one. So we do it one by one. Multiply the square and population variance divided by the size of sample and add the population variance of the second one and divided by the second size sample. And we can see that this is the difference between two sample means and minus this one. We get the result here, and we need to pay attention that the difference is we need to change the minus to add. We do in the same way. Population variance, size of sample 1, population variance, size sample 2. And we can see that the first is a difference, and add the second part. This is the Z and square this one. We get the result. And the interpretation is this. There is a 95% of chance that the interval contains a difference. And I will enter the number here. We need to pay attention that we need to often keep two decimals. So what we get in last and last is two decimals. That is all for this video. Thank you.